The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Huron County in north-central Ohio, northern Seneca County in northwestern Ohio, Erie County in north-central Ohio, southeastern Sandusky County in northwestern Ohio, until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Green Springs to Tiffin, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Tiffin, Norwalk, Bellevue, Clyde, Willard, Green Springs, Northern Milan, Greenwich, Monroeville, Attica, Berlin Heights, North Fairfield, Republic, Flat Rock, and Bascom. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.